I'm Elizabeth Wiseman. I'm a fashion and commercial photographer based out of St. Louis, Missouri. I'm known for photographing people. I do everything from small market model testing to corporations with 40,000 employees. I started photography in sort of a funny way. I was on set anyway, working at a modeling agency. And I had to make sure that the models were wearing the right clothes, that they were posing the correct way, and it seemed redundant. One day I turned to my boss and I said, what if I do this myself? And to this day, I find that that approach still works for me. I take responsibility for all the aspects of my shot. I feel like if I was really put to it, I am the one that can make the final call on whether or not the hair and makeup looks good, the wardrobe looks good. I think when people say that's not my job, or oh, I can't take that job on unless I have the top supporters, that's fine, I get that. We all want to have the very best people surrounding us, but it's not always going to happen. But really what our job is as a photographer is to say, I know these circumstances exist, but in the end, the buck stops with me and I'm gonna make the right decisions. One of the things I would love to see change about the photography industry is how welcoming it is to young women. Women are taught to be afraid to fail. And so in a commercial context where there's a lot of people looking at you, women feel like they're going to fail in a very visible way. And I think that keeps women out of the industry. We need to open it up and say it's okay to fail. That's what men have done for generations of commercial photography, but women are just now learning that. You shouldn't be afraid to take beautiful images with whatever materials you have available. I hope that there's women out there who see that and push harder than they would have otherwise.